Welcome to Data Analytics Professionals, and I'm Shahnaz Malik, and let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. The current lecture series is about AWS and machine learning, and current topic of this lecture is going to be about billing and cost management, and we are going to learn about setting up billing alerts. This is lecture number 13 in this series, and we need to follow the following instructions to accomplish the task set for us in this lecture. So these are the steps which we need to perform. You can pause and do it yourself, or I think let's go quickly onto the website and I show you how to do it, and then whether you take the instructions on the slide or just follow what I'm going to do. So here I am on the website. So if I go and click sign into the console, okay, and then type in my well, first of all, I have changed my alias, okay. So I have put my alias as DAP hyphen account. So, and then my IAM user, I'm going to log in as administrator, okay, and then my password is there. And if I sign in, if you go see, and now I'm signing in, and here I am, okay. Now next thing is to if you have recently visited, then surely you will have billing here, but I think if you don't have this billing information here, all you need to go, if you see this find services, then you can go here and type billing, okay, and this is what you need. And if this is not available, then you go here on this services and then click here billing, and then you can find out billing. And once it pops up, you click on it, and then it will come into your history. Once you have logged in the first time, then it will be in your history. No matter how you go there, this is what you need, and we need to go into this billing preference, okay. This is what we need. So once we click on to billing, we will land on billing and cost management dashboard. So here it is cost management, here it is billing, and here is preferences, okay. So what we need, if you see from the slides, if we have done this, we have entered, and then we find the go to the find services, type billing, and click on this, okay. And now we need to go on to billing. If you see, we need to go on to billing preferences. Now let's go there. So here I am, billing preferences, okay. So you click on it, and then all you need to do is you click on billing preferences, receive PDF invoice by email, okay. You click on here, and that's basically it. And also you can also put cost management preferences. You can receive free trial usage alert as well. And if you want to receive all this in a different email other than your root user email, okay, if you wish to receive alerts at an email that's not your primary email associated with this account, then I suggest to add your email. So I have put my shahnaz.malik@yahoo.co.uk, and you can put whatever you think is right. So receive billing alerts is also clicked here. So if these checkboxes are not checked, so you can check them, and then if you click on the first one, then you will receive PDF invoice by email, and here you will receive free trial usage alerts, and if you click on this, then you receive billing alerts. Once you have checked whatever is your choice, and then I suggest to save the preferences, okay. So this is, if you see, preferences saved, and that's it basically. This is very simple. If you see, we have ticked everything, and then we have saved the preferences, and that's it basically. And that's the time to ask you a simple question. How do you rate this lecture and the presentation given here? I give you on a scale of 0 to 10, where 10 is the best, and please do comment and give your feedback so that we know how well we are doing our job to present the best lectures to you. Now, for all those who are interested in this series, next topic is going to be on billing and cost management, and we are going to set up dollar alarm threshold. Okay, set up a dollar alarm threshold. So topic is that, and maybe we'll tweak it a little bit, but I am planning at the moment to have this next lecture. Now, with that, it is a studio time with me, and here I am, and I hope that you like the lecture. You take care of everyone, and I see you in the next lecture. Until then, I suggest to watch this lecture until end, as there are some informative slides going to come before we say goodbye to each other.